It message yan.
It's fancy. Catacombs threshold. Once you step forward, there's no turning back, Just.
Oh no. Alin di ang language?
I don't know. Kalindang language.
Tapos anong graphics?
Investigation notes. Day 1.
Day 1. Find the entrance.
A few weeks ago. Kaya na, ako magtika nga. Residents nearby discovered an ancient catacomb beneath the northern mountains. At first, they thought it was nothing more than ordinary ruins. But after a few people ventured inside, but they were no longer themselves. The villagers began spreading strange rumors. They said there is something down there. Something that can take the shape of a human. Shapeshift? Mimicking faces. And walking among us. I feel like you're a mimic, Jess. I can tell. Without anyone noticing. I didn't believe those stories. Until finally, I saw it with my own eyes. If you hear a strange noise, don't move. If you don't make a noise, hold your breath. I cannot do that, or it will know. I cannot hold my breath that you are still alive. Oh, grabe man ah. Ominous man ah.
Okay.
Pero bakit yung music ay medyo sad ta?
Yan eh.
This is our final hour. It's a sign niya. We might not make it.
No.
This is it. Descend via rope.
Wow.
Oh, what's this? Paper. If you meet the imitator, don't stare at him. Don't get too close either. Keep your distance to stay safe. Oh. Oh my god. You won't go. Where are you? I see you. Uh-oh. Hello? Find the altar to go to the next floor.
Saan ka, Jun?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Hala, magkiwalay kita?
Jess? It's
Ato ka?
it's too dark. I cannot see.
Iya ko sa ano.
Oh,
Ano? Magkaiba kita daan.
Jess? Hello, Jess?
Sige yan to.
Jess?
Ikaw ba to? Ikaw ba to?
Jess?
Ikaw to?
Mimic! Oh my god! No, we got separated.
Ikaw, ato,
Jess!
Niya ako sa likod.
Jess, ikaw yan? You're running.
Likod.
Hala, sino to? Sino to, Jess? Sino to, Jess? Nagdakanimaw? Jess?
I don't know.
Jess?
Ito kakainas ang likod.
Imo ron no? Nagdagan mo, Jess. I'm not crazy. Jess?
Hala.
Jess, I swear, nagdagan ka.
Ito. Sino to?
Sino yun?
Ano galit to? Smoke.
Find the altar to go to the next floor.
Ano mga altar doon?
God. I swear, Jess, kitang-kita ko yung ano. Akala ko ikaw yun.
Kita ko man ikaw kaina nagdaga.
Ah! Jess! Alo, Diyos ko Lord. Oh my God. What happened? Ikaw ba yun? Pinatay mo ko? Pinatay mo ko?
Wa, iya ko. Go jump.
Ano nga sabi ng rules? Nakalimutan ko to sa sobrang hadlock. Do not look at
Hindi mo
huwag kang
palapit.
hindi ka magpalapit.
Yes.
I think yan na yun,
Ay,
Jess.
nagbalik kita.
Sure ka?
Hindi, nagbalik kita.
Are you sure? Ay, nagbalik man
Yes.
kita. Hara do paper so. I swear to God.
Hala,
Sino to?
bukod makarerbes ka kain.
Yani, nag-shift. I'm scared.
Ano ba ano? Alter nga na ano man.
May mga skulls.
Sundan natin.
I don't know. Basi bad sign.
Hala,
Ah! Ah! Ah!
bakit? 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 Ano mang altar
My
ka?
God, spook.
Ay, shit!
Jess, wag kang lumaki. Lumaki, wag kang lumaki. Wag kang lumapit.
Ikaw, si Intuwa ko nakita. Ikaw,
Ako rin, Jess.
Sin ka dun?
Ako ron yung dagan. Ako ron.
Sin ka?
Pero,
Ah, ito ka kayo raw.
hala.
Kibot mo ako.
No, that wasn't me, or is it?
Sin.
Oh, Jess, is that you?
No. Oh, ikaw Jun na.
Ah! Minulto ako!
Oy,
Jess, nandyan siya. Oh,
ikaw. Ikaw ran.
no, it's me. I'm here.
Hindi, magtoy na ka na.
Oh, Jess, oh my God.
Ay, karapagid ikaw.
Where?
Bakit ikaw?
Okay ka lang, Jess?
Ito.
Jess, you're losing your sanity. I can tell.
No.
You're losing your sanity. You're going crazy. Ara ako, Jess, oh. Oh, I'm jumping.
Na ano mang altar da?
Oh, I'm trying to be very careful. Ara ako ga-jump. Here. I'm jumping. I'm being careful. Jess? Jess? Hello, Jess? Second Jess.
Where?
Cormo, sa left side, nagpanaw. Gina-torment ako ni Jess. Oh, what's this?
Type C ron.
I do not understand
Oh,
this. I do not read Egypt. I think sa Egypt kita.
Hara ba si do altar?
Are you sure?
Ayun, kita
Hello?
Oh, shit.
Did you see
Ikaw
that?
yun na, ginagulat mo ako
Did you see that?
Ikaw yun na.
Did you see that?
Ikaw yun. Aron yun siguro Jun.
Hello? What's this? Stay in the circle ko, no? Just stay in the circle. Stay as in sa likod mo. Okay. Go down to the floor 2.
Hala ka. Hold the button. Ay wow.
Ability unlock. Hold the button to hold your breath. Uh-oh. When a monster approaches, hold the breath button to avoid being seen. Do not move or talk. Release the button to breathe. Huh? Bakit nuggets, Jess?
Babaya na, aman doon.
I had to hold your breath, to. Kita mo, Jess?
Sos, gino.
Sa imong left side.
Asin yun.
Sa left side mo, Jess, hold your breath. Basta hold mo lang.
Okay. Yes.
What are we doing? What's this? Solve the puzzle to open the
Solve
door.
the puzzle to open the door.
Huh? I think
Sorry.
it's wrong. Hold your breath. I'm holding my... What's this?
Bakit? Aro, may ano yun, may laser.
What? May something pa dito.
Alin to?
May isang bilog pa di karon nung I think ano ra pasunod.
Para may paper oh.
It's so shiny. Ay haron just oh. Haro da pasunod.
Ay shit. Ay nano. A, parang A-S-E. Sis.
Sure kang Aaron, min ko H ta. Jess, hold your breath.
Hold your breath.
Oh my god.
Ano, mamatay ako.
Okay, breathe stop. Oh my god. So, parang H ta ron, Jess. Add do not move. May H ba dyan?
Ay, dapat may iba-ibang button pala.
Harang may mga symbols sanda. Alin mataro yun?
Para pinakalas.
Yang, ay alin isang bilog nga to.
Dahil ito ay pang second.
Oh. Jess, haron mo Jess oh. Do not move Jess.
Wala ka. Hold your breath.
Well, I'm dead. Hala, I have 9 lives na lang.
Ay, pati ako namatay.
Hapindot ko tagid do, hold your breath. Too soon. May 9 lives na lang tayo. Kung taging infinite ko na lang. I thought madali mo lang ra. Just.
Nay, ma.
Makaragali. Oh my god. Kaya ko ra. Just keep holding.
Mamatay ng karakter.
Paman, buhay pa ako, Jess. Makarang galit ang obra. Eh, haron mo, Jess. Do not move.
Nano.
Just, wait lang. I will hold my breath hasta magpanaw mo. Papatay mo kapanaw. No. Hold your breath. Nandyan pa rin siya. Hasta maduod tutunog. I think patayot ang character. Di ba tayo mamakaya nga?
Okay na.
Ayun na, dalyang slowly but surely.
Chindag ibang
Sharon mo rin mo. Hato, diretso lang kita. So, we need to be careful. So, the first is parang A to H. Parang, basta. Okay. Sige na to. Run. Okay, we need to find an H symbol.
Kato, may to.
Ga-follow mo. Is that an H? No. Pangatlo tara, Jess.
Babaya, wait lang. At least na itong gusto yung pangatlo.
I think sa... Uy, unay mo, Jess. Be careful.
Chin.
Unay mo. Ano mo, pagtun niya katon.
Ay shit.
Wala tayong pupuntahin. Hold your breath and do not move. Hold your breath, do not move. God. left side. Left or right?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Kita ko.
Alin doon?
Pang first.
Okay, then balik Ryan hat to the second. The third ay ito to.
Ina game mo.
Una imaw. Pabalik na siya just. Oh, it's coming. Oh, never mind. Papunta. Just, di wag. Pangatlo ba yun or pang last?
Pangatlo lang.
Okay,
Pang
pangatlo.
last da.
Okay, yun. Tapos una taglimaw.
Wait ako here.
Okay. I will suck. Oh, shit.
Go, Juna. Oh no. Ano, Juna, ka? Shit.
Just? Just?
Go, camera. Oh my goodness.
Ha? Isinuray nga ra. Jessica ba yan? You're standing...
Sin? Jump, be, jump.
I'm jumping.
Oh, may Juna, Iya ka, Juna.
Jess, who is this?
Stay away from me.
Oh my god, Jess, stay away from me, Jess. Jess, save
Juna,
me.
wag ka lumapit sa akin.
Jess, lumipad. Hati,
Hello, Juna, ka pinagapit ka tingkang.
ara
Hindi
ako.
magpalapit ka.
Yeah,
Ay,
ako.
karas.
Jess? Oh my god, haron si Jess, oh. Si second Jess.
Karon ka, oh. Oh, Juna, wait lang.
Lumipad.
Ay,
Papa man na. Una mo sa pang-last na symbol. I swear, just una di mong dupliganger. I think iba tatang nakikita. Imo nakikita ako tapos ako nakikita ikaw. Hold your breath. Do not move. So I think di ko makikita din. Do not let go, Jesse. Breathing. Do not let go. Walang katapusan.
Sino mo?
Papalit. Oh, never mind. Babalik na siya. Hold your breath. Hala? Nag-walk tayo mo sa walls daya na. I keep holding my breath. Okay. All good na, Jess. Oh, never mind. Okay, all good na. Aray. I swear to God, bumalik kita mo.
Paano ito ma-open daw tree?
I'm scared. Dali ang Jess. Saksakon ko, anera. Aray.
Ako magto sa tree.
Do not die.
Shit, joke lang.
Haman.
Hala, Juna, ikaw ra?
Nope, nandito ako sa likod.
Ako nag-uhubog.
I think you saw my future death. Future death ko ron. Makara ko kung I swear, nasaan yung si second Jess? Oh, Jess, papunta na siya dyan. Kimo.
Okay.
Never-
Open mo to 4. Wait lang. Okay na.
Okay na?
Ayun, na-open na natin.
Yeah. We're still good.
Balik na ako dyan.
Okay, be careful.
Shit, J-Mau.
Ah, you're doomed, Jess. You're doomed. Wow. I can...
Tuloy ako.
Harang Jess do exit yung singka ng... Jess? You died. Oh my god.
Hala ka.
Oh my god, Jess. You're... Oh my god, imo nga mimic.
Sino ko? Oh my goodness.
Kung si ka just namatay, haron do exit. Oh no, Jess. Yung duplicator mo, Jess, ginaano ako.
Juna, ikaw ra?
Yeah, it's me. Diretso lang, Jess, haron do exit. But I can't. Nandyan yung duplicangers mo. Haron do duplicanger mo, Jess, kita mo?
What?
Oh no. Oh no. Haron mo, oh. King Paul mo,
Ay,
Jess.
hindi. Ipot. Ay.
That's the exit, Jess. Diretso lang kung si ka namatay.
Sin ka.
I'm here, sa likod mo.
Chat na mo.
I would hold my breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Do not move. Do not let go of the button. Wait, I heard it. Jess, you're gonna die. Waka na. Akala ko natuwa yung breath. Yan, 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 yan.
Run!
Meron do exit, Jess.
Na, exit yung kita.
Kailangan to, Jess, yung lives.
Ito nga ni, o ko nakita.
Oh no. Checkpoint reach. Your heart rate increases as the right path approaches. The sound of bells echoes in the darkness. Invite you to your destination. Keep a deep
Wala,
breath.
o ko nakita. Ano? Ano ko no?
I don't know. Jess, do not leave me, Jess. Nandito ako sa likod. Hello.
Heartbeat sa footway. Pag nag-bell. Ano pag nag-bell?
It means, I think it's the right way. The closer you get to your destination. Wa man, dupiglangers. Sabi niyo, the closer you get to your destination, the faster your heart beats. So, kung mag-faster tong heartbeat means ato tong destination.
Kay Rubel.
I think crew yun dun. Haro. Dito just i-follow natin the bell. Ikaw ba yun, Jess? Ah! Oh my God! Imong doble gamers, Jess. Kinano ako. Ikaw,
Saan ka?
ayaw sa likod. Basta kung mag-faster mo heartbeat ay it's the right way, I think. Is this the right way? I don't know. Oops, I'm in the wrong way.
Grabe ang heartbeat
Ganyan talagang life.
mo.
Inaatake ako sa yung duplicangers.
Para may ano. Well, para mabilis siya.
Oh, where are you?
Go, let's jump. Grabe ang heart to and
Well, I am currently lost.
hindi ako sa likod.
Oh, Jess, hello.
Oh, shucks. Gusto. Iba to. Kita.
Wow. No, it's me. What's this? Are we gonna encounter another monster?
The big door. Solve the puzzle. Vector?
What's this? This is the big door. Big door ba to? Nope. I swear. Oh, I don't know, I see things. I saw something.
Wala, alin to?
Ikaw ba yan, Jess, sa likod ko?
Yes, yes.
Ay, oh, di ba Raido? Pangatlo nga lever. What are you doing here? So the third is green. Tapos ang bilog ay puti.
Haro blue ro ano? Pang last.
Oh, haron mo, Jess.
Ay, di mo. Yeah.
It could be yung first or yung pangaiwa, the puti. What are we doing here,
Sure.
Jess?
Ano man? Hala.
Oh, man. Oh, there's something over there. Kababot ang gatinikang and I'm scared.
Hala.
I can tell we're running in circles, ta. Since the big door, oh, na ako takita.
Check.
Oh, we got separated.
Naman dun.
Hello? Is anybody here? What is this? Wala, nakita ko the exit door. Is this the exit door? Yes, Sarah, the exit door kung makuha natin the puzzle.